Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope you are green, you are healthy like the green leaves. I'm here. I like to walk through the small lands, small alleys in Siem Reap to find out something truly locally. And I love to see what they are living. The dogs, many dogs in Cambodia. I'm very happy because the government has given the rules for people here. Cambodian giving the rules. Everybody don't allow to eat the dog meat. So I'm happy because I can see many dogs. Anyway, back to the small lands. I will show you something very truly local in the kingdom of Cambodia in Siem Reap. Truly, it's a stone house because it's a stone house in here is the center also, but look like the countryside, and I love to have to see many stone house in the kingdom of Cambodia. I look back a little bit for you to see the small lands I am walking through. Over there is a canal, but they have it done as a road. So you don't know the canal because it's just look like the street, the road only. Okay, here I walk a little bit in the small lands for you to see. Oh, I love this style. I want to show you a little bit here. So beautiful. I love the Khmer style house, the stone house style. It's a little bit humid at this moment of making this video. I walk under the sunlight, too bright, sunny, shining today. Hey, how awesome! I love it. I really like the flowers too. Yeah. So you can find out very locally here. I love this one too. I have it in Vietnam too. Surely in Thailand too. Oh, aloe vera. They grow a lot here. Together with the chili, the cactus, the bitter gourd. Yeah, it's a very awesome. Oh, how awesome is this? So you can have the little bit different glance at other lengths of the alley in consumer. Oh, I like the name aroma. Okay, so I have foreigns too. Okay, so I walk a little bit more to show you more here to see different Siem Reap locally. For me, that's all the time I like to watch the flowers. I love to have the flowers always. So brightening. Oh, a new condo here also for rent. So I think that so many people really like to have living in a small alley in Siem Reap city town. So not only me like walking around here. Every time I see these corridors, I feel like I was in the Angkor. Angkor Wat, they have the style for the walls like this. I very like it. I wanna take a look back for you to see where I am, where I have you now. Okay, keep moving on a little bit. I think it's a longan, but why there's no blossom here? Because it is a longan flowering. Hey, is it longan? Not sure, yeah. Okay, I need to show you over there. It's hard for me to show you where I am now because it's just some small alley here, small lanes connecting from the Pasar Samaki, Ratanaklin, Lin Ratanak Hotel, and I just crossing, wandering along the small side. Some they have a circle as well. So I think that's it's. If I say that it's close to the riverside, but it's hard for you to see. I think it's their guest house too. Oh, maybe many guest house here. I never know, but because it's close, so oh, I love this flower. Every time I see flower, I remember my childhood in my grandmom, because it's I like to the elder sister to cut it for me, to take it for me. Oh, very nice. Look awesome. So too much plans to remember the names of them. Mango. The mango runs finished already. I remember I went into this side already, but I think it's they're close. Oh, many places to close. Oh, how beautiful the house here. Right, awesome. Oh, I love this banana trees. That's right. I need to show you where is it, because I still remember that I've been here already, but they are close. Ah, pity a little bit. This is style of the house for rent here too. Yeah. Okay. Let's just what's next. Oh, they have a sala like this for playing. Hibiscus, Malaysian national flower here. So, let's just quick up. Are you tired to walk together with me? Life is so blessed to me. I'm very grateful for that. And happy. Yeah. Just it was. Wow! Awesome! Awesome! I love you too much. Yeah. Awesome Cambodia. I love this flower too because I feel like I want to have it. Sure. Oh, awesome. Yeah. Great. Yeah. Here. Oh, love you. Oh, it's very awesome. Oh, very nice. Oh, it's time to stop it because I think that I take a lot of videos of the house without permission. I think so. It's not a good way too. Anyway, see ya. I'll go Cambodia.